Welcome to Bodcom channel. Let's introduce XGS-PON ONU Stick SFP. This module features an SC or APC connector, supports web-based management, designed for industrial environments. Its housing operates reliably across extreme temperatures. Connections using SC fiber are available for transmission distances of up to 20 kilometers. To configure, insert the module into your converter and log into its web interface. Enter 192.168.11.1 in the web browser. There is no password default. Click the Login button to log in. Set the Stick SF password in the menu pad system. The password plume value must be converted to hexadecimal format. Steps to configure. It is recommended to verify information first, and modify only if it fails. For example, if your ISP only uses SEN for authentication, you only need to fill in the SEN for verification. Input vendor ID, equipment ID, hardware version, etc. To communicate with XGS-PON ONU, you can refer to the status page info of your previous modem for details. The default is XGS-PON mode. If needed, you can switch to XG-PON mode. Remember to click Save. Post setup verification. Reboot the XGS-PON ONU Stick SF. And check the registration or authentication status. PON authentication status query. PON plume status. 01 indicates fiber disconnection or that the line is EPON. GM status query. Optical module status query. Is the ONU ID assigned by OLT? Optical module information query. After the XGS-PON ONU Stick completes registration on the OLT, a traffic test can be performed. Observe the sustained traffic forwarding status, confirming the availability of the service link. For any inquiries, please visit bodcom.com.cn.